lamb or chicken stew with rice or with pasta. What if it's with rice pasta? Simple ingredients. If you love paella, you would love this. Let's join Romelo, a small kitchen, and find out. Warm welcome. As you've heard, tonight's recipe is rice pasta. Yes, many people lalo tayong mga Pinoy, loves natin ang rice and pasta. Now, we'll be cooking rice and pasta in one. A rice recipe that you can eat as pasta, or a pasta recipe that you can eat as rice, and combined with chicken or any meat of your choice. Tonight we'll be using lamb. This is a Greek recipe. It's called GIOVETSI. It's rice pasta, and it also tastes like paella. So rice and pasta and paella in one. It is a one-pot dish. Wala nang ulam, wala nang rice, because this is complete. For the first part of the procedure, these are what we need. I have here a kilo of lamb. And instead of lamb, you can also use chicken. We need 2 onions, oregano, 1 teaspoon, and cinnamon powder, salt and pepper, and 2 cinnamon sticks. In addition to the ingredients that I earlier mentioned, we will be needing also tomato sauce. I'll be using my canned tomato from the garden. You might want to watch my gardening series as well. And this is what we call the rice pasta. Look, it looks like rice, it feels like rice, but this is pasta. Pasta formed like rice. By the way, if you don't have this at your place, you can also use rice. Rice na matigas. Use the hard rice variety. Not the Thai, that's too soft. And to top our dish later, we have here grated cheese. Let's start. It's easy, we just have to slice the onions, remove this for a while, and sprinkle them on top of the meat. They don't have to be finely chopped. Let's add onto the lamb meat. We add the 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of oregano, and cinnamon powder. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified of every release. Thank you. And salt. Let's massage our lamb meat here. Let's be reminded I'm preparing here GIOVETSI. It's a Greek dish. It's rice pasta dish. We can use chicken or lamb. Let's put this in the oven under 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Our dish has been in the oven for more than 45 minutes now. We can bring it out. And we're gonna use these tomatoes that I can myself, and I grow myself from my own garden. Almost self-sufficient. Add red wine if you have. If you don't, just add water. 6 parts water, 1 part vinegar. I don't have an aluminum foil, so I'm using this to cover the dish for 2 hours, or 1 and 45 minutes would be good as well. This dish requires around 3 hours to make. That's why I've already pre-prepared the stew. Let's get it out of the oven. And we have to remove the cinnamon bark here. Yeah, we have to remove that. It's now removed. And we will add, I think it has dried so much, we will add some hot water. I'm going to add the rice pasta now. I think this is not enough. The water or the sauce is dried. Let's put the foil back. And back into the oven. Just follow what's indicated in your pasta's packaging, but usually it takes 30 minutes because it's in the oven. By the way, you can also boil this in the same manner as you would cook rice. You can also pour this mixture into your rice cooker. Same procedure in cooking arroz valenciana or berengue. I think they call it berengue in Pampanga. Until later. Earlier I said that we just have to follow what's in the packaging. That is, let me clarify, that is if we boil it, but we are cooking pasta in the oven, so that it would take longer. It's been here for 30 minutes now, and let's check. Look, no more water, it's dry, so if this was rice, it should be cooked already, but let's taste it first. Al dente, but I prefer to have it well done. Just add some water and give it 15 more minutes. Back into the oven. I'm hungry now, but I want it well done, not al dente. It should be cooked now, I'm sure. And of course, to give it an even richer taste, let's start with this seafood. Yeah, it's dry. Let's check. To give it a creamier taste, an even creamier taste, let's top it with cheese and lots of cheese. This is a very generous amount of cheese, but I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm flying to the Philippines, so my Pangasinan, so I have to use all this. Yeah. Have to use all this. And I'm in Holland. Holland is rich in cheese. Okay, so we just have to caramelize the cheese toppings, so I'll leave it uncovered. Let's just melt the cheese and we're done. About 5 minutes. And let's set the table. So, okay, good. Really. Thank you for joining your quiz tonight as we discover more flavors besides adobo and tinola. This is GIOVETSI from Greece. Easy and comfortable. This is the way at home. Until next time, your Korean uncle here, Romano. We will have to correct that. Our Greek French here say it's GIOVETSI. GIOVETSI. And if you enjoyed our show, don't forget to share. Ibigay natin ang pagkain nating Pinoy sa buong mundo. And don't forget to like and to subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of each release. Happening twice a week. Until next time.